Thanks for still being awake. My name is Alex. I'm one of the founders of SmileTime, and I left Hulu after 6 years of running the content acquisition team there to start the new venture. The good news about what's happened in premium video on the internet is that over the last 8 years or so, we can watch what we want, where we want, and how we want. That's wonderful. What has also happened is a slowdown in innovation when it comes to high-quality entertainment being available. So we're watching it on screens that are meant to be interactive and participatory screens, but instead we're asked to kind of lean back and just watch. So what do people do? They use second screen and other experiences that effectively take you away from the viewing experience. So internet is participatory in two-way, and the concept of participatory entertainment has been around for as long as time. And I'm specifically talking about the kind of entertainment that you really look forward to, the kind of entertainment that you spend money to go see. So if you think back to ancient Rome, when the audience was sitting in the crowd, they would say thumbs up and the gladiator lives, thumbs down, the gladiator dies. That fundamentally affects what happens on stage. Television and film, to some extent, has been an exception to that kind of entertainment, whereas the audiences are really looking for that kind of a connection, which is why many millennials and younger folks are opting out of traditional TV, despite the fact that some of the best storytelling out there has emerged over the last few years. So what we do at SmileTime is we take that kind of participatory entertainment by taking advantage of the fact that internet's device footprint is two-way and that entertainment begs to be two-way, and we do so at scale. So our technology offers the viewer the ability to interact in very low-touch ways by responding to a prompt or a multiple choice, higher-touch ways by chatting, and high-touch ways, which is getting on video. So there's up to 5 different locations that are being broadcast at the same time. So you take advantage of of features like call-in, of things that are already happening, like call-in radio, and you're creating that as a part of the broadcast. So what's happened is that the audiences truly, truly love this experience. We're seeing that they feel like they're now a part of something, and they're connected not only to the performer, but also to each other, where they feel like they're a part of something greater than themselves. They're not shouting into the ether. They feel seen and they feel heard. And as a result, we're seeing a dramatically different type of conversation that's happening. So one case study is TMZ does a broadcast using SmileTime every day, and despite that fact, the audience has created a Facebook group of the people who are into that show. So just a couple of case studies. CW Network does a weekly show called Fan Talk, and we're looking at 45-minute averages for an hour-long show. There are a number of original series. This one is called Truth with Annalyn McCord. We're seeing similarly high numbers. And as I mentioned, TMZ does a daily show. And what's also happened there is that over time, the participation and engagement continues to grow. So there's a number of different well-known creators that are using SmileTime. And what we're also offering is a tremendous opportunity for sponsors to create a lean-in kind of engagement together with the brand that's happening in real time, which is the holy grail for sponsors. We have a number of partnerships launching over the next few weeks and months, and the team that founded the organization is really at the intersection of technology and storytelling, technology and liberal arts. So our mission is to be the best place for creators to innovate and for users to connect, and we've essentially proved it with a number of early partners and a number of early use cases. So we raised a seed round earlier in the year. And we're now in the middle of raising our Series A.